Welcome to our Zoho CRM tutorial covering events, which are a type of activity. I'm going to give you a brief overview on how to create an event and where to find them in Zoho CRM. As a reminder, an event is anything scheduled, such as a meeting or a trade show. We recommend that you always start an event from the Contact or Account module to limit the information you need to input. If we go to the Contact module, and select a contact, you can either scroll down to where you have open activities and you can choose to create a new event from here, or here on the left side where it says open activities, you can click the plus and you can add a new event from here as well. Once you open up a new event, you will enter a name for the event, and then you can choose a location. You can choose whether to make this an online meeting through Zoho Meetings, whether it be all day, and then it's required that you include a time, a start from time, and an end time. And then you can choose a host. You can add participants, and they can either be automatically, Zoho will show you any contact related to the account, and you can also choose other contacts related to this account without email addresses, or you can put in any email address of anyone outside of Zoho as well. We're just going to include this person. Actually, I'm not going to include them for now because I want to be able to save this. Then there's always some more details you can add as well. As you can see, the company is added, as well as you still have the choice to add the contact here, since that's who you're doing this from. And then you can, we're going to do that. And then you can repeat this, you can add a description, you can add reminders, and then you want to save it. And then it gives you the option of whether you want to send this or not. I'm going to say do not send, only because this is our test instance and I don't want to be sending emails out. But it still saved the event. And as you can see, we now have the test event here under the record. And here on the left side, you can see that there is now an event. And if you go, it takes you over here. If we open this event, you could see the information related to it, who's going, who's not, once you send it out and they answer. And the other thing you can do is you can find the event either in the it's in the activities module now, or if you go up here on the top right to the calendar, you can click on the calendar, and any day that there's something scheduled will have an underline. So we know we scheduled this event for the 4th. So if we go here, here is the event that we scheduled, and you can see it here as well. To find out more about creating and working with events in Zoho, please go to marksgrouplive.com, where you can subscribe to our video library, which includes over 100 videos that can help you with anything you need related to Zoho. If you have any questions, you can reach out to info@marksgrouplive.com.